also be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 618, effective until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: in Oklahoma, Adair, Cherokee, Delaware, Haskell, Latimer, LaFleur, Mays, McIntosh, Muskogee, Okmulgee, Pittsburgh, Rogers, Sequoia, Tulsa, and Wagoner, and the following counties: in Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Logan, Madison, Scott, Sebastian, and Washington. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm warning